Here's a quick video showing you how TaxCalc and Engager link together to create the perfect practice management and compliance systems. So what I've got on screen here is the client list in Engager, and I've added a column, which is my TaxCalc link status column. It will highlight in green if the two clients' records, one in TaxCalc and one in Engager, are linked together and are synced perfectly. It will be highlighted in red if I scroll a bit further down, such as Indiegogo Limited, if there's a data mismatch between what is in my TaxCalc system and what is in Engager. If I click on my client record, Indiegogo Limited here, we can see that there is a difference in name between Engager and TaxCalc. In Engager, it's Indiegogo Limited. In TaxCalc, it's Indigo Limited. I can select the correct name, click confirm, and it will update in both systems correctly. Now, what you can also do, which forms part of the client onboarding perspective, is if Bendal's Engineering is a brand new client to my firm, they've just signed their engagement letter, I'm able to click on the client record, go to my general information tab, and then in the accounts and tax production section where it says link with TaxCalc, here I'm able to click create new TaxCalc client, which will then create the new client in TaxCalc and push across all the information across from Engager, so you're not having to duplicate that information. Now, another thing that we added in to Engager recently is if I open up a particular client, such as my individual here, Adam Alpha, we have added in the tax references section on the left-hand side the ability to pull through tax data from TaxCalc. In reality, currently it's purely payment on account information and self-assessment tax data that's going to pull through from TaxCalc compliance tool into Engager. But we're going to be building this out more and more in the coming weeks. We've also got corporation tax payment information that can flow through between the two systems. What that then allows you to do is to very easily select, say, a multitude of individuals, such as Adam Alpha and Ben Bravo, and then you're able to go and send an email in bulk to multiple people, which, using a particular template that I've created and certain placeholders, I'm able to then preview that and it can pull through the actual amount due into the body of the email. Super, super helpful having your compliance data available in your practice management system. What we've also added is if I go to TaxCalc and go to, say, Adam Alpha's personal tax return, so if I go to Adam in here, we have added the ability to actually push the tax return itself. So if I come to my check and finish section, and you can see on the left-hand side, I've got send to document manager. If this was a completed tax return, I can click send to document manager, choose what information I'm wanting to send across into personal tax. So if I choose my tax return there, I just put test in there so I know it's unique. Choose my particular folder I want to send it to in Engager, such as my taxation 2026 folder. Click send, and it will push that document straight through from TaxCalc to Engager. I can click view save files. It will then take me to that particular client record, which I can go to files on the left-hand side. I can then go to taxation. I can go to 2026, and we'll see that this document here is the one that I've just added right now with today's date and today's time, of which I can then equally very easily send for approval through Engager, through the portal. What you'll also find is that in our jobs boards, for, say, self-assessment tax returns and limited company accounts and corporation tax returns, we have the concept of service blockers that will not let you mark a particular job in Engager as completed if you haven't actually filed that tax return or set of accounts in TaxCalc. So it's stopping you from having false positives in your practice management system where you're telling the system you've completed it when in reality you actually haven't gone and filed that return. So there's a few bits in terms of the integration between TaxCalc and Engager that's in there right now. What we are adding towards the start of next year is the ability to send self-assessment tax return questionnaires through to your client's portal, which can include prior year tax information on there to make it easier for them to remember what information needs to be pulled through and populated onto that form. And then if you're happy with it, you can then go and push that information directly into the tax return itself within TaxCalc. So a proper two-way sync of tax data between your compliance engine through to your practice management system and back again. So that's hopefully coming at the start of next year, hopefully in time for the next tax return period. So there's a few examples of what is currently live in the TaxCalc and Engager sync, but what is hopefully coming at the start of next year. Thank you.